Hi there, it's Pascal here. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a conversation I had with a bloke that was looking to start a business to pay off his debts. Now, when he said that to me, I was like, no. We don't start a business to pay off debts. If you've listened to the Stranger's Secret that I always mention, he said, you will become what you think about. I want you to really think about that, because I listened to that audio book for like a year to really understand it. When you're looking to start a business to get out of debt, you're technically saying you are afraid of debt. If you're afraid of debt, that means you're creating fear. With fear comes worry. If you're afraid of something, you don't want something to happen, law of attraction most likely is going to happen. If you think about it, whether consciously or unconsciously, it will happen. So we start a business to increase our income. That's the goal. You need to start a business to increase your income. Take yourself for example. This is how I look at it. If you want, most people go and they go for buy a car, maybe the brand new car. There's a deposit of, let's say, 3,000, 5,000, and the car has a finance to pay off the car for over a period of time, maybe 4 years, 5 years. We sign up to that. There's no problem with that. We pay up the insurance, sign up the insurance, monthly insurance, everything included. By the time you have a monthly payment of about $500, depending on the car, going off your account every single month. What have you done? Most people will go for this, but you just bought a liability. That's true. But if you start a business, most times when people look to start a business, they tell them you have to come up with some money. In online business, it's usually cheap. With $300 you could start with SFM, go to, and $97 a month. So it's just the same thing. We have an upfront cost, then we have a monthly payment. This monthly payment covers this let's say your trainings, websites, hosting, most of the things, courses that are all part of your business. Now, what happens? After a while, your business will start generating income. But initially, you have to pay off the monthly payment, just like your car, from your work that you're doing, from your job. It comes off your salary. It's the same thing with business. It comes off your salary. That first monthly payments, that's usually the hardest phase for people to get through, because that's the time you're setting up everything. You're trying to figure out what works, what are you going to sell, all those things. Once you get past that phase, the next phase is your business starts taking care of itself. Meaning you're no longer paying off the $97 or $200 or $500 for your monthly payment. The business is generating funds to take care of that. So the business is like a standalone on its own. It's turning itself upside in and out every month in, month out. Then the next phase is you start generating profits. Some people skip the second stage, they just start making profits straight away, but everybody's not going to be the same. So you start making profits. So when you start making profits, this could take you a year to achieve, 2 years. It doesn't really matter, in my opinion. Time is nothing. And when it comes to creating the life you want, you just have to do it. So once this business starts taking care of itself and starts generating you more income than it's taking away, what do? That's when you start taking, you don't just take everything away, in my opinion. Just take a little bit and start paying off your debts. That is how you set up a direct debit to clear the debt. $200 a month, $300 a month, just keep sending. Now you are no longer thinking about paying off the debt. You're focusing on increasing the business cash flow. As the cash is coming in from the business, the business is taking care of itself, it's taking care of your debt. When your debt finishes, depending on how big the debt is, when it finishes, you could set that up to pay off your mortgage. The business is paying off your mortgage. You're no longer worried about if you lose your job and any of that, whether you're going to pay off your mortgage or your insurance or all those. The business is taking care of it. You're still in your job, doing your thing. But all these things are working. It comes with planning. That's why I love SFM and their training. They have a business consultant, they have a business strategist that will teach you all these things. So this is one of the things I learned in SFM, in my opinion. So that's what I was sharing with the blog. We don't start a business to pay off our debt. We start a business to increase our income. Don't focus on the debt. Wherever you focus will expand. If you focus on that debt, it will increase. Focus on increasing your income. How can you increase your income? Then that income, once it passes your debt, that takes care of it. That's my experience. I hope this helps you. I hope you find some value out of it. That was what I shared with the blog. And if you like what I'm sharing, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you're looking to start a business online, you don't have any clue, there'll be links around this video to show you how to get started. Apart from that, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.